Hi, do you have any knee pain or back pain? Do you have any elbow pain or just really, really low depleted energy that just can't seem to go away? Well, why not try some bone marrow washing Qigong with me? Hi, my name's Eileen Jong. Today is day 24 of our 31-day Qigong challenge for the bone marrow washing. So let's get started. Padding is a really good, easy way to get us to refocus back to our body. Every Qigong has three components: the body, movement, your breathing, and an awareness. So, movement of the body to move in a easy way that is less stressful, more relaxed, so that the body can recuperate from pain. Once your physical body moves in a way that is safe, and the nervous system will start to trust that process. Breathing, B, yeah, allows you to integrate and connect the body's inner chi with the physical. Awareness, A, is for you to be aware of what? Of the sensations inside, of the feelings, emotions you have, and therefore your connection to your inner being, your inner soul. Yeah, good. And then let's play a little chi ball from the 12 treasures. Shift the weight. So when your body is in pain, how do you get out of pain? Easiest things, one of the main stresses in the body is gravity. Yeah, so play with the chi ball any direction you like. Do a little bit grinding tofu. We may have 6 big joints: shoulder, elbow, wrist, hips, knees, and ankle. Yeah, but only 4 of them, shoulder and wrist, hips, and ankle, those are the ones involved with movement. The other 2, elbow and knee, those are hinges. They only just open, close. So a lot of the movement in the Qigong is round rotational movements like these birthday candles here. Good. 3, 2, 1. Other way. Inhale, exhale. Thanks. Nice. Okay, inhale, exhale. Now for the bone marrow washing, we're going to do number 1 for the prayer with the internal rotation. Actually, come to think of it, let's just do the anti-gravity first. Or another way for the body to be safe. Try to be consistent as you can. And go ahead and look back at the earlier videos for more details of how we do this. All right. And 3, and 4, and 5, and sword finger, round and round, big toe to little toe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and left, big toe to little toe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, little toe to big toe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and left big toe to little toe to big toe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and side to side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale. X in, X in, X. With the big lifts. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Crisscross lifts. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And extend big and tall again. 2, 3, and relax. Okay, and so let's go to bone marrow, internal rotation. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, relax. The third eye, nose tip, third eye, chin, third eye, mid fingertips, third eye, chest, third eye, the low back, the flames. See and feel it. Inhale, big. Separation. Feel the rising of the up torso, up and down. Separate and feel the bubble mist that rose to bring it up there. And then separation between the two sections of the body, left and right, and front and back. Okay, and going up, inhale, X, in, X, in, and Shen Wei, Qi Wei, Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi, Qi is inside of me. I'm inside Qi, Qi is inside of me. Okay, so today's video, we're actually going to just focus on the number 8. The goose slowly descends that we did intro a little bit yesterday. Okay, yesterday was a portrait view. Today is the landscape view. And sinking down, down, down. Okay, and up. And what it is don't stick out your tailbone. Don't tilt up your tailbone. You want to gently sink in, allowing the groin, the gua, to fold. Why? Because it's where the vein, artery, and nerve is, so a lot of blood flow goes there. And if you're tight in your body, what it is you're gently allowing for the body to simply sink down into the big hip joints. Gently, easily. And inhale. Holding your chi cloud. Okay. Actually the chi lifting us up. And exhale down. Posture is important. Again, no sticking out, no tilting up. Just simply allow for straight up, straight down. So it's really utilizing your core, glutes, hamstring. Okay, we're doing several times lightly. But it's strictly speaking like 3 times. And then if you can't go anymore, that's when you splay, dip and sink. And then pulling up the side onion that you're picking up. And 2. Okay. Inhale. Up. Exhale. And it's an internal rotation of the elbow, not splayed out, because when you internally rotate, the chi can go up the spine again. So it's actually really comfortable for the spine. There's should not be any pain. No pain, lots of gain. Okay, and splay, pull. Inhale. Exhale. Shen Wei, Qi Wei, Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Heavy. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Inhale. Go back to the prayer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale. Third eye. Nose step. Third eye. Chin. Third eye. Chest. Third eye. Low back. Relax. Inhale. Shen Wei, Qi Wei, Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the Qi. Qi is inside of me. Yeah. Thank you so much today for joining me for a little bit more detail on the number 8 for the goose slowly descending part of it. And if you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, comment, QMW, BMWQG, and turn on notifications so you know when I next post. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Love to all the world. Bye.